Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be mixing together the Kristin Ess hair glosses, Smokey Topaz, and Winter Wheat with the intention of slightly toning and conditioning my blonde hair. This is my before. I haven't toned it in ages, so it has a lot of orange and yellow tones coming through. It also doesn't have a lot of shine currently since it's a little bit dry. These hair glosses come with cute little bottles that you can use for easy application in the shower, but since I'm mixing them, I'm going to pour them all into a normal hair dye bowl and whisk them together. Each box comes with one activator and one bottle of gloss. This has a very liquidy consistency, so it's a little bit messy to apply, and due to this, it feels like it comes with a surprising amount of product. I have medium length, medium density hair, and I only used a little over half of this mixture. Before applying, I lined my ears and hairline with some Vaseline so nothing would stain my skin. I also washed and shampooed my hair before using this, as I had a lot of buildup, and you're supposed to use it on wet hair anyway. I used my own gloves. The gloss did come included with some, but I love my own as they have more grip to them and they fit my hands a lot better than the plastic ones. I then took small sections and very thoroughly saturated them with the gloss. I'm not sure how meticulous I really needed to be with this product as it is pretty watery, but I wanted even and pretty end results, so I took my time here. I found these glosses at Target, and then I watched a bunch of videos of people using different colors. I felt like my hair was a little bit too dark blonde for the Winter Wheat to make much of a difference in terms of color, and Smokey Topaz was a bit darker than I wanted to go, so mixing them seemed like a fun idea. Also, Winter Wheat seemed like it's meant to tone out yellow tones and blonde hair, and Smokey Topaz seemed more like it was for orange tones and brown hair, so I was hoping this would cover all of my bases. I'm also growing out my own natural medium brown hair, which is an extremely ashy color, so I wanted to blend my very warm toned blonde into it a bit better to soften the transition a little. And this gloss provides a semi-permanent color anyway, so even if I don't like it, it'll wash out eventually. I end up leaving my bangs for last since they've been bleached the most out of all my hair and are super porous anyway, so they grab the color easily. The box recommends leaving this on my hair for 10 to 20 minutes, and I left it on for about 15 and then proceeded to shampoo and condition my hair as per the instructions. And this is how it turned out fully dried. It worked really well to add a ton of shine and took out a lot of the yellow tones to my hair. I noticed it didn't do too much to the orange next to my regrowth, and I might leave it in for the full 20 minutes next time to help with that, since the Smokey Topaz is supposed to help tone orange colors. I think this product did a really great job though, and my hair definitely looks refreshed and shiny. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you've tried any of the other Kristin Ess hair glosses. Also, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more hair content. Thanks for watching.